Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Chef Kuku here. Today I'm showing you guys how I deseed tomatoes. Don't they look juicy and ripe? Anyways, we all use tomatoes in our cooking. People love them because you can make sauces and stews with them, right? So there's sometimes that you would be asked to deseed tomatoes for a particular recipe. I have a detailed blog post up on the Kauna Kitchen blog that says reasons why you need to do this. And if you don't know how to do it, I'm showing you how you can do that today. Deseed your tomatoes. I feel like eating it right now, but I won't. Come and watch this cooking task with me. And don't forget, if you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and join the fun and the learning on Kauna Kitchen with Kuku.
So if you don't have the tools that I use later on in the video, just use your hands. It's the crudest method, but it works. The disadvantages are that one, you might crush the tomatoes, which is not nice if you're trying to cut it up nice for a salad, and two, you won't really get everything out of the tomato, but it works. Number two, just use a nice teaspoon. In this case, I think I used a teaspoon, half a teaspoon the size of that, and it worked really nice. It got into those corners that I couldn't get into when I was squeezing with my hands. And finally, this is the most efficient method, and it's quick and easy. Just use a small sharp knife. In this case, I used a paring knife and it worked very well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so. Share the video with friends and family, and I'm looking forward to sharing more exciting videos with you guys on Kauna Kitchen. Take care.